What's up mga kasurumbaw and welcome sa car review natin. Thank you nga pala sa Kia Motors Gateway, Mandawi City, Cebu for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Mark Cañete on his mobile phone. This is the 2025 Kia Soluto 1.4 LX80. 885K to, Cebu City price ha. February promo is 20,000 based on 20% down payment. 48 months is 21,628.00 and 60 months is 18,377.00. Airbags is driver and front passenger. Brake is anti-lock brake system or ABS. Features immobilizer, electronic door locks, and ISOFIX. Dito sa harap, dalawang grille taas at baba. Tiger nose grille. Aluminum Kia logo. Chrome. Gloss black, honeycomb. Walang butas. Dito, window type. Gloss pa rin. Dito din, window type, gloss. Silver accent. Then walang mga fog lamps. Headlights na multi-reflector, may chrome accent sa loob, halogen. Sa baba, fake vents, gloss. Dito sa gilid, wheels is silver, tires is 175/70 R14 Nixon. Nasa side ang repeaters. Body color side mirrors with repeaters, auto adjust but not auto fold. Keyless remote entry. Body color doorknobs. Front suspension is MacPherson strut H-time subframe. Rear is V-beam coupled torsion beam axle. Front brake is disc. Rear is drum. Dito sa likod, full type antenna sa taas. Nasa loob ang third brake light. Silver sa Lotto emblem. Aluminum type Kia logo. Walang mga back sensors. Then backup camera. Taillights is halogen. Sa baba is reflector. Buksan natin yung baggage. Space sa baggage. May light. Sa ilalim spare tire, toes and jack. Door panels is dark gray with gray accent, silver doorknobs. Plastic, tweeter speaker, silver doorknob, gray accent, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker. Dito sa likod na door panels is same dark gray with gray accent, silver doorknob. Plastic, silver doorknob, gray plastic, power window button, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker. Shelves sa likod. Walang mga pockets dito sa likod ng mga upuan. Dito is malagyan. Sa driver side ng door panels is same dark gray with gray accent, silver doorknob. Plastic, silver doorknob, tweeter speaker, may gray accent, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker. Steering wheel is tilt only. Plastic. Visor design sa dash. Piano black at silver accents sa circle air vents. Side mirror adjust, walang auto fold, headlights leveling, hood lever, baggage lever, and gas tank. Upuan is fabric, mild accent ang mga gilid dark, dito din, sa gitna light na, side armrest retractable, 4-way manual adjust, view sa likod, 3-spoke steering wheel urethane with audio controls. Dito is infotainment, mode, mute, and cellphone buttons. Dash analog RPM and speedometer, may display sa gitna, digital. Infotainment is 7-inch touchscreen via 6 speakers with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB, Bluetooth, and voice control. Manual dial type aircon, doom lights, sun visor walang mirror sa driver side, mic, sun visor with mirror sa passenger side. Rotary type ignition switch, malagyan, auxiliary, USB, 12-volt socket, plastic, silver, din silver shiny, auto tranny, gated, may second, and may low, manual handbrake, malagyan, 2 cup holders, malagyan, malagyan. Passenger na upuan is same fabric, 4-way manual adjust, plastic, airbag, piano black, silver accent sa circle air vents, then glove box. Ang engine niya is a 1.4 4-cylinder inline 16-valve with dual CVT gasoline engine. Max output is 95 PS, max torque is 132 Nm of torque. Transmission is 4-speed automatic, fuel tank capacity is 43 liters. So that's it mga kasurumbaw. Thank you sa panonood. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support Visayan Vlogger hanggang sa muli. And paalam and peace! Thank you!